guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, I'll be doing an unboxing ng mga kitchen gadgets na I just bought yesterday. Okay, so first item is etong bagong mga frying pans. So since we are in the food business, it's a must talaga to buy new non-stick frying pan. So, bumibili ako ng mga bago every 3 to 4 months. So, it comes with a turner non-stick. So, with dalawang frying pans. Ito, 26 cm at saka 22 cm for only 629.75. So, sulit na. So, maganda naman siya. Then, ita-try natin kung long-lasting ba siya. Okay, so next is itong lalagyan ng mga mainit na pans o mga kettle. Okay, so stainless siya. I bought this for 79.75 only. Then, next is itong pinakaantay ko na bilihin is itong Chef's Classic Griddle Pan. So, very hassle for us na magamit nung manual talaga na charcoal tapos mag-grill. So, mas okay na ito, grill pan, kasi pwede siya sa stove, pwede sa electric na mga burner, and sa cooktop. So, ito siya. I bought this for 1,539.75 but may 20% discount siya. So, nagiging 1,231 na lang. So, ayan siya guys. So, let's open this. So, energy saving ito. And non-stick pa rin. So, ito na siya. Ayan siya. So, ano siya, reversible. Pwede ka dito, if you want na yung mga grilled mo, may grilled mark. So, ito yung gamitin mo na side. If you just want na plain lang, so, ito na siya. Reversible siya. So, pag magluto daw dito guys, ang gamitin lang is mag-brush ka lang ng cooking oil or pwede siya butter. Butter or margarine. So, as per dito sa box niya, it's PFOA free. FOA free. So, PFOA means Okay, so this grilling pan guys is PFOA free, means perfluorooctanoic acid free. So, ito yung chemical na ginagamit panggawa ng mga non-stick pans or mga Teflon, pero hindi sila gumagamit ng FOA. Okay, so hindi sila gumagamit ng FOA means so meaning it is a safe cookware siya. Okay, so I'm gonna use this na. So very helpful ito sa akin for my grilled baby back ribs, mga pork, barbecue ribs, kasi mag-a-add ako sa menu ko. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Okay guys, so this is PFOA free, means free siya from perfluorooctanoic acid. So, ito yung chemical na ginagamit nila before na magawa ng mga Teflon or mga non-stick frying pans. So, safe ito for normal cooking. So, safe ito for normal home cooking. As long as hindi siya mag-exceed ng 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's it for today guys. So I hope you like this unboxing, and please don't forget to like and comment below, and please do subscribe, and please ring the notification button for more updates.